Assembly.
Hi, welcome to your first Getting Started video. My name is Dr. Elena Yaratu. I'm the principal flutist in a symphony orchestra. I began playing the flute in 5th grade and currently I teach private students. I'm going to guide you through the basics of playing and caring for your flute. In this video, I'll show you how to assemble your instrument. Open the case right side up. Take out the head and middle joint and insert the head joint into the middle joint with a gentle twisting motion. Line up the embouchure hole on the head joint with the center of the tone holes. Now, hold the assembled head joint and middle joint and gently twist on the foot joint. Line up the foot joint so the rod is centered with the tone holes. That's it. Now you know how to assemble your flute. It's important to line up both the embouchure hole and the rod with the tone holes, so make sure you always do that.